Welcome back, guys. In this video I will show you how to make Facebook profile frame. So first, go to canva.com and then search for profile frame. From there, templates, and then you can choose any frames you'd like to choose from here. So for example, you have a birthday celebration, you can use this and then click customize this template. Then you can use the Canva app or just stay in the website. Then you can rearrange this to modify the design. And then you can also change the color of the elements. You can choose from the colors here. And then once you're done, click share and then click download. Make sure you've chosen the file type PNG and check transparent background and then click download. Once you finish downloading that, go to Twibonize and then make an account here, or just sign in if you already have an account. I'll log in through my Gmail account and then click new campaign. Once you've logged in, just write down the title, the description, and the link you want to use. Make sure that it is unique so that others haven't used it yet. And then you can choose visibility here. You can make it private. You just have to use this code, or you can make it unlisted and then just click save. Just reload this page and then view your new campaign and then click edit. And then you can change the thumbnail of this campaign. Then click save and then click add module. Click add module again and attach the frame that you've downloaded from Canva. And then you can change the description here that will serve as the caption. And then click save. And then copy this link and use this link when you're going to use the profile picture frame. And then paste the code. Click enter. So after pasting the code, you'll be able to use the frame. Click choose photo, and then when you attach the photo, you can resize and fit it in the frame. And then you can just click next. Once it has fully loaded, you can click download. And then you can now use this photo for your Facebook profile frame. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please do like and subscribe to this channel.